Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Two Parts and a Pan. This time I'm going to show you how you can make dal curry. This is probably going to be the simplest recipe that I can ever show you. All it takes is like 3 ingredients and less than 10 minutes. It's packed with proteins, absolutely healthy and totally delicious. So without much further delay, let's jump straight into it. My name is Abraham and welcome to Dr. Rock. So these are the ingredients that you would need to make dal curry. I've taken about 2/3 of a cup of tur dal. This is also called split pigeon peas, and I've placed it in a plastic cup next to a bigger glass just so you can get an idea about how much quantity I've taken in case you don't have a measuring jar. And the other two things that you would need are a medium onion and a medium tomato. The size that's shown here is medium where I live, so it could be bigger or smaller depending on where you are, so just adjust accordingly. And here I've chopped the onions and the tomatoes up. Along with that, all you'll need is salt and a little bit of turmeric. And finally, for tempering, I have here a teaspoon or 2 of cumin seeds. You can substitute with fennel seeds. I have a couple of green chilies, some curry leaves, and some dried red chilies. The green chilies and curry leaves are completely optional. Okay, so let's start cooking. Add the soaked dal into a pressure cooker, and this is how much water I've taken. Ideally, the water level from the top surface of the dal should be just below the first segment of your index finger. And now we can proceed to add the chopped tomatoes and the onions to the pressure cooker. And this is what it would probably look like. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric and then about a teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Turn up the heat and close the lid. That's pretty much it. All we gotta do now is wait for about 5 to 6 whistles. I'm gonna fast forward the whistles here. You might have to wait just a bit longer. Well, it's piping hot. Time to open it up. Well, my friends, let me warn you, when you're working with a pressure cooker, make sure you let out all the steam before you open it up. The final process is called tempering. This is nothing but taking the remaining ingredients and frying it in some oil. Once it has a good smell coming, add the oil and everything to the dal. Give it a quick mix. Make sure all the ingredients are incorporated nicely. Check for salt. Add as much as you require. Taste test a couple of times. And add more salt if you need it. Don't add if you don't. Salt preference is totally up to yours. Well, now it's time for me to enjoy my meal. I hope you all try this recipe, and I hope it gives you good health and long life. Cheers, my friends. So without further delay, let's jump straight into it. My name is Dr. Rock. Damn it!